How to add debit or credit card on DHgate account. Let's get started. First up, launch your DHgate app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now first up, you have to select the item that you want to purchase. Go ahead and select the items. I'm going to select few of the items. I'm going to add this item to the cart. Likewise, I'm going to add another item as well. Once we're done adding the items to the cart, what you have to do is head towards the cart section. At the top right corner, you'll find the cart icon. Click on it. You'll be directed to the cart page. In this page, you're going to find all the items that you have added to the cart to purchase. Now from here, you can check in for the items that you want to purchase and then click on checkout. Once we're in the checkout page, you have to provide your shipping address, and once you do that, you will see the option of payment method. Click on that. Click on view all. You will see the option of add a new card. Likewise, wire transfer. Clicking on the option of view more, you're gonna get more options. In order to add a debit or credit card, click on the option of add a new card. Go ahead and provide your debit or credit card details. First up, go ahead and type in the card number, then type in the expiration date, then type in the CVV. After you provide all the details, click on done and proceed to checkout. With that, your card details will be updated. So this way you can easily add debit or credit card on DHgate account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.